This is Contract Facts Analysis Assignment 2 for Business Law, and I'm Craig Holyfield. A case summary is that Jay-Z and T.I. hire Billy Bob Carter to construct a building and recording studio using teak wood. They refuse to pay Billy Bob and hire Dougie Fresh, who completes the recording studio for 10 times the price. Billy Bob can't complete the recording studio for the agreed upon price due to a beetle epidemic. He sues Jay-Z and T.I. for work completed. They countersue for the amount they paid Dougie Fresh. The litigants in this case are plaintiff Billy Bob Carter Contracting Services and co-defendants Jay-Z and T.I. The plaintiff, Billy Bob, argues that he should have been paid for the work he completed and that he is not responsible for the natural disaster that caused the price increase of the teak wood. Finishing the project for the same price would have caused a financial strain on Billy Bob's business. The defendants, Jay-Z and T.I., argue that Billy Bob breached their contract, causing them to hire Dougie Fresh to finish the job and pay more. They feel the beetle epidemic is also not their fault. Looking at the facts of the case, certain legal questions arise. These are matters that are at the heart of the case. They are: can Billy Bob terminate the contract because of the beetle epidemic? And do they still have to pay him for the work he completed? And is Billy Bob responsible for Jay-Z and T.I. having to pay more to complete the project? These questions create the legal issues involved in this case. Is there a breach of contract on Billy Bob's part? Can he terminate the contract based on the impossibility of performance? According to the legal definition, yes, he can, because unforeseen circumstances made the teak wood more expensive. Since he can, Jay-Z and T.I. cannot collect on damages. The facts of the case center around who is liable for damages. Billy Bob is not liable because he terminated the contract on the impossibility of performance rule, which he can legally do. In this case, Billy Bob wins the lawsuit against him because an unforeseen natural disaster made it impossible to perform completion of the recording studio for the agreed upon price. He should be awarded the construction costs which he completed. Jay-Z and T.I. should not prevail on their lawsuit. If I were an attorney for Jay-Z and T.I., I would have advised them to minimize their losses through mitigation before paying Dougie Fresh 10 times more and taking Billy Bob to court. They could have gotten the recording studio for a lot less and saved them a court case which they would have lost anyway. But the real victory in this matter goes to Dougie Fresh, because he was able to capitalize on the beetle epidemic and complete the job at a huge profit for his company.